Hey guys, it's Lucas, and in this video I will be discussing Instagram reply option missing. I'll explain some reasons for this to occur and what you could do to fix it. So Instagram rolled out the reply to specific messages feature late 2020 to certain phones and finally to all available updated devices. If you connected your Facebook profile to your Instagram account, you would have seen this screen pop up when you go to your DMs. Some people may have just accidentally clicked Not Now instead of updating. So to make sure that your Facebook account is connected to your Instagram account, here's what you can do. So let's go to Profile, hit the hamburger option, hit Settings, hit Privacy, and then hit Messages. So here's just an option to add your Facebook account, so go ahead and click that. And then go ahead and click Continue. Hit Continue. And you should be connected now. Unfortunately for those in the EU, there are some features not available in your region, which could include not having many messaging options by default. This is due to privacy laws and regulations, so there's nothing you can do about it, unfortunately. Some other things you can do is make sure that your app is updated. That way you have all the new features currently available. You can simply go to the Play Store, type in Instagram, and make sure that you have the latest update. The last thing you can do is to contact Instagram support directly. To do this, go to your profile, hit the hamburger option, hit Settings, and tap Help. Tap Report a Problem, and hit Report a Problem. So here you'll be able to message Instagram the problem, and they should get back to you within the next few days. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.